Hello friends, my name is Advocate Rohit Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my channel, you are getting information related to law. Main motive of my channel is to spread legal awareness between you people. So if in future, if you're stuck in these kind of situations, so you can come out. And if you're new to my channel, so you can subscribe my channel. If in future, if I post any video, so you get direct notification. So before wasting any time, let's move to the today's topic. So today's we're gonna discuss about lawyer freshers who are going to start their practice in law. So this is my advice, personal advice, not any written something. This is my personal advice for the youngest lawyer who are going to start their practice. You have done your LLB, you have done by first division, second division, third division, whatever. Now you have registered in Bar Council of India. You have given your exam. So you have to be prepared before enters into this world because law is very vast environment. You should be clear about what you need to do in future, like if you want to be corporate lawyer, if you want to go into litigation, if you want to be a criminal lawyer, if you want to be judge. So you should be clear before entering into this profession, because when you think about this, if you take time for 2 or 3 years, so you already wasted your time. So you have to think these things in your college days that you want to be judge. So after finishing or before, you can prepare for your judiciary exam, or you can prepare for all government exam. If you prepare about you want to go into this, if you want to start your own practice, so after completing law or during internship, just search for good lawyer who just give you all the things. Because thing is that in law profession, if you go into litigation, I'm talking about litigation, if you go into litigation as an advocacy, so if you are first generation, there is a difference between first generation and second generation. First generation means like there is no, you don't have any backup in law. Like you're Shah Rukh Khan, you're entering into a new Bollywood industry, you have to make your own career. You don't have any father in legal. Or second generation means those who already established lawyer, having their own office, having their chamber, and you're a son of them. So this video is not for you because you already have all the things and you don't need to do anything. But if you are a fresh lawyer, you have to work in that manner that in future you have to take your own office, all the things. So these are the things which you need to taking care of. And if you're a fresh lawyer, so you have to taking care all the things, like you have to work accordingly to buy a office, to buy a chamber, to get a good remuneration, because in law practice you're not going to get anything in your initial days. It's just 2 or 3 thousand or more than 4,000 as an internship you may get, because law is that profession. Law is not an MBA. You just completed that MBA and you get in a placement in a good offices. This is not law. If you done law, if you come into litigation, so you have to be prepared mentally, physically and financially, because in initial days you never get anything, 2 or 3 thousand, not more than that. So you have to prepare by this. If you need to choose your career before entering into this profession. Before after graduation, here I mean to say after giving your Bar Council of India exam, you have to be prepared by your own that in this field I want to go, in criminology I want to go, in um, banking law I want to go, in corporate law I want to go. So you need to prepare by your own. Nobody will help you out if you are first generation. I'm talking about first generation, because nobody is there to help you out. You are the one who only have to take all the decision, and you are the driver of your own career. So you need to work accordingly like this. And if you are in talking about advocacy, so it's very vast, because if you go into an internship in any law under any lawyer, so he or she will not teach you anything in your initial days, 3 to 6 months, because nobody will, because they want to take work from you. So you have to learn all the thing, you have to learn all the procedure if you want to start your own practice into this. So this is why I'm telling you, you have to prepare your mind before entering into this profession in advocacy. If you are planning to go in LPOs, in legal firm, in corporate law, so prepare your mind accordingly and move in these professions. Like what they want, what they're asking in initial days, you have to prepare all the things. Like if I am taking example of LPO, so it's an legal process outsourcing where you need to do contract drafting, all the things. You need to do diploma of this and get into internship, and initial salary will be 12 to 15,000 for a LPO executive. And if you go to corporate lawyer, so they will offer you as a junior associate, so where you get only 10 to 15 or more than that. So these are the things which you need to take care before entering or before choosing law as in your career. Because you're not doing any MBA or any engineering, or you're getting any software engineering, you're not doing any software engineering, you're getting any placement, you don't get even a single thing. You're getting placement of 10, 15, 20, not more than that. So you need to prepare your own mind. Okay, life is very hard if you choose advocacy as a single, if you choose litigation and your own practice to do law. Because if you choose this as your career, so you have to spend around 5 to 7 years of your career into this to learn all the things. Because law is very vast. In subordinates court, in session courts, you need to spend around 1 to 2 years to understand the basic procedure. Then you move to high court, then take a internship under high court lawyer, then take Supreme Court internship. So around 5 to 6 years you need to spend to learn all the procedure. So this is my advice for the youngest lawyer, to prepare yourself, prepare your mindset before entering into this. You need to understand what kind of law opportunities. So I hope I have cleared all the things related to if you start your career into advocacy, and these are the basic things which you need to understand and you need to think before. And college days, you need to think that this is what you want to go in, that field you want to go. As I told you earlier, law is very vast and having lots of things. And when you enter into this, you may be surprised to know that these are the also options you have. So you need to search all the options in your college days. And after certified by Bar Council of India, after your exam, after your finals, you have to enter into this and make your career. All the best. This is from my side related to law and fresh advice. And for all legal queries, all litigation queries, all advocacy queries, and all things, if you have any question, you can let me know by comment. And that's it for today. I'm signing off. Jai Hind. If you like my today's video, so you can subscribe my channel, or you can share my video with your friend or relative who are doing LLB or into practice or planning to do LLB or stuck in these kind of litigation situations. So you can share my video with them. Jai Hind.